Book a service on Axzora. Go to www.axzora.com. Then log into your account if you are already registered. Log in using your email ID, or you can log in using your phone number. Now enter your number and click on Login. Then enter the OTP received on your registered phone number. Or enter your password in case you logged in using your email ID. Once you have logged in your account, scroll down or choose your preferred category from the category drop-down section. Under that category, select your preferred service provider. Now select the services you want and click on Book Services. Once clicked, then enter your location, the date you want that service, and what time you want it. If you have any additional details to tell the service provider, then type it in the Notes section. Once done, select your mode of payment, then click on Continue to book. Your booking will be confirmed. In your My Bookings section, you can now view all your bookings. Now you can log out from your account.